Hello there, my dear friends, my name is Vladimir and I welcome you to the Russian Traders channel. Today we're gonna trade, analyze and earn some really huge profits. So get yourself comfortable and let's get started.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
On the screen you can see the AI trading bot. The whole process is powered by the open-close system. It's a fully automatic AI, which means you don't need any deep trading knowledge to get started. It basically analyzes the market and executes everything for you, so literally anyone can use it. I've left the link to the bot right down in the comments if you want to check it out. Later in this video, you'll see me trading manually, which honestly is way harder and a lot more boring than just letting a bot do it for you while you collect the profits.
Start from $90. Right now I'm opening a sell trade over here, and let me quickly explain you what's actually happening over here right now. Well, right now if you take a look at the middle line of the channel, okay, if you take a look at the middle line of the channel, you will see that not so long ago we have already broke down through this level, and right now we're testing this level once again. So it's pretty obvious pattern. Once the price breaks down the middle line of the channel towards any of the directions, then reaches the bottom, for example, or the top in our case, and then goes back and is about to break the middle line of the channel once again, okay? So here is the case actually. So right now let's just wait a bit. Meanwhile, just take a look at the RSI. RSI is telling us that right now the buyers are not taking the market at the moment, okay? And here, what else can I say? Basically, in combination with Don't Change Channel, we have pretty clear picture that right now the market is about to go down. And yeah, we got our first trade closed, $165. Let's take a look what's happening over here at the moment. Okay, here we have quite different picture. Okay, let's open a sell trade once again. What can I say? Basically, right now here, taking a look at the Don't Change Channel, we can clearly see that we have reached the local maximum right now, okay? So we are in an overbought zone, and here right now the price should, the market needs to cool off, well, the price will go down, okay? And meanwhile, according to RSI as well, guys, I'm always telling you, if you're watching me for the first time or for the second, just make sure you keep it in mind. You should consider several indicators once at a time altogether. Okay, you cannot just use one indicator or make your decisions based on one of these indicators or one of these factors. Okay, you should always consider all of them to have the whole picture in front of your eyes. And here, in combination with RSI, we have pretty clear picture that right now the market will go down. Okay, and here it's all about the patterns, guys. Okay, if you don't know all the patterns, or you don't feel like you know any of the patterns at all, I mean for trading, guys, what are we talking about? Make sure you check out the link down below to my Telegram channel, because there I'm sharing all the useful information about the patterns as well and stuff. Second trade closed over here, $309. Well, not bad, what can I say? Not bad. One more good day in Russia. Yeah, we're done. Well, why? You will ask me. Guys, here the thing is that if you take a look at the Don't Change Channel, you will see that right now in the nearest past we had two times when the price reached the upper border of the channel, okay? Afterwards it tried to reach the middle line of the channel twice. Well, that means that the price is fluctuating, okay? There is not enough selling power right now for the market to go down to break the middle line of the channel, which is right now in our case the very strong level of resistance, okay? Here in this situation we have very strong resistance level, and RSI meanwhile is telling us that right now we have a tendency of the market, of the trend, sorry, to go up. Well, both in combination, both these indicators are giving us pretty clear picture. And by the way, this is a pretty cool combination. I mean, RSI and Don't Change Channel. Make sure you keep it in mind. Yeah, we got a third trade closed $590. Well, just as expected, nothing special here, guys. Let's see what can we do else to increase our balance at the moment. I'm setting up the amount and opening a buy trade over here, because why? Here we came to this middle line of the downchain channel once again, right? And you see the price is fluctuating, it's oscillating around this middle line of the channel, which was right now the very strong level of resistance, right? Very strong level of resistance. And here right now the price is about to go up. Why? I'm explaining you guys. Here the price tested this middle line several times. You see, it was fluctuating, and right now, bang, it was ready, okay? And here the RSI is also telling us a very strong trend over here, and it is appearing right in front of our eyes. And here the very strong candle forming, which was also predictable. Well, as I told you guys, it is a pretty similar situation to the previous one, but there we had a very strong support level. Here we had very strong resistance level, okay? Also the patterns, guys, because yeah, theory is highly important. That's why I'm always telling you, check out my channel. I'm not just telling this. 1100 plus, great. I'm not just telling, this is not just words, guys. I'm collecting this information and sharing my knowledge for you, okay, to avoid mistakes. Of course you can't avoid all the mistakes, best for you to avoid at least some of them, okay? So make sure you check it out, and we're moving on to the next one trade. I have pretty good mood today. Another one obvious situation. Right now 11:39, I'm setting up the amount and opening a buy trade. Maybe you already know why. Well, I explain you guys. If you take a look at the downchain channel, you will see that all the time, I mean the nearest past, okay, here we were going down. It was a downgoing trend, you can see it, but it was a downgoing trend from the middle line, and only it was each time it was new local minimum, okay? So we went down to the lower border of the channel, okay? And this is the time when the market starts to, how to tell, the market starts not to cool off, but to adapt, okay, to adapt. And right now the buyers have enough power to take the scene over here, because here we had one small green candle at the very beginning of the visible graph, then we had couple, then we had a couple green candles, but one was bigger already, and this is the first signals of the beginning of the upgoing trend. It may not happen like that, but it will happen in the future, and that's what will happen right now. And we got one more trade closed. Congratulations. Let's not be greedy, this is not good. Okay, I'm setting up the amount, 2095. Bang. Okay, here pretty similar situation, guys. Here pretty similar situation. It was also a downgoing trend. It was a downgoing trend which was going down close to the bottom line of the channel. That's why I like downchain channel, okay, because it's very helpful over here for such kind of situations. And the RSI is not telling us about the trend, but here if you take a look at the graph once again, you will see the pretty similar pattern with the previous trading pair, the start of forming the first signals of upgoing trend. We also had first one candle, then two candles, and right now we're gonna have couple more candles. I don't know, maybe we still not have the clear pure division up, but right now we have at least one or two cool green candles formed, okay? Let's just see, and you will see it by yourself, okay? So right now we should wait a bit, and yeah, we got the trade closed, $4,000. Well, guys, not bad, not bad. It was pretty fast. For just, I don't know how much, 10-15 minutes, we made 4,000 out of $90. This is how actually it works over here, guys. So if you still haven't checked my Telegram channel, this is the very time to do it.
On the screen, you can see the AI trading bot. The whole process is powered by the open-close system. It's a fully automatic AI, which means you don't need any deep trading knowledge to get started. It basically analyzes the market and executes everything for you, so literally anyone can use it. I've left the link to the bot right down in the comments if you want to check it out. Later in this video, you'll see me trading manually, which honestly is way harder and a lot more boring than just letting a bot do it for you while you collect the profits.
Make sure you check it out, take the knowledge, apply, use it, make huge profits. I will be happy for you. Guys, this was Russian Trader. My name is Vladimir. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe not to miss my future videos.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.